Hello my dear students, today I will explain some exercise questions from simplification of class 7. And another second part, it is most interesting. I will give some tips how will you appear of your online exam. So let's start. Okay guys, today I am going to explain that one exercise questions, some exercise questions solve, okay. Solve, I have taken the 3 sums from solve, okay. But before I start solve, in my last video I have given you a concept, what are the concepts are there to solve and what are the process to make it easy to solve, okay. Just I am showing how to make it easy, because I know that some of you are facing problem to solve this type of equations. Say I am showing first one, what is there given? 6 equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. So this is left hand side and this one is right hand side. Okay, so next step, once you do solve, you must use their OR. Okay, 6 equal to 4 plus, by 3 you have to multiply this one first, there is 3 into t, 3t, again into 2, there is 3 into 2, 6. Now next step what will do, you have to find t. T is the unknown variable, we have to find their t. Solve means what? You find the solution of the equation t, okay. So this one you take left hand side, right hand side to left hand side. So what is the concept there? To find, change the side right hand to left hand by changing of it sign. Where is plus is there, once you take into left hand side it becomes minus. And right, this one 4 having in right hand side remains same, 6 also in right hand side remains same, but that left hand 6 once you take into right side, it becomes what? Minus. Once you bring this one into right hand side, it will be minus 6. Then what you are getting? Minus 3t equal to plus 6 minus 6 can be cancelled. So remaining 4. So what you are getting? Therefore minus 3t equal to 4. Then t equal to what? Then minus 3 once it is in multiply form, once it is multiply form, it will be comes to divisional form. So that is 4 by minus 3. Okay. I think it is clear to each and everyone. Okay, is it clear? Very simple. Whatever unknown variable is there, that one we can find the same process. Now let's show second number. I have chosen second one. Each and everyone see properly, okay, so that you can understand what to do there. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34 there. So same as this one is left hand side and this one is right hand side. So first, second step what will do, 4 remains same, 5 multiplied to p, that is 5p, 5 multiplied to minus 1. So as it is plus and this one minus, plus and minus become minus 5. Okay, 5 into 1 5. As plus is there, minus is there. Once you open the bracket, that means minus 5. And it becomes 34. Now, what will be there? We have to find 5p, the p we have to find. This one you keep in left hand side. And rest one you bring to right hand side. 34 remains same place. No need to change anything, but 4 once you take into right hand side, that plus will be minus 4 and minus 5 it will be plus 5. This step is clear. This one remain the same side, that is remains same, and this one bring to right hand side, that means minus 4. This one also taken into right hand side, that means plus 5, which is known as transpose. One is side the change the side, this one known as transpose. Okay, so 5p equal to 34 minus 4, 30 plus 5. Then 5p equal to 35. Therefore, p equal to 35 by 5. If you cancel this one, getting 7. Then another one in the same page, I am showing next one also. So what to do there? 0 equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. What to find there? In this equation, we have to find m because m is unknown. Okay, so unknown variable is there, m. So 0 remains same, 16 also same, plus 4 into m, of course 4m, plus 4 into minus 6, minus 24. That bracket means what? You have to multiply this one by both, okay? Whatever inside the bracket, you have to multiply each and every one like this, okay? Now we have to find m. So m, place your m in right hand side. So once you take into left hand side, that sign becomes plus 2 minus 4m. And this one remain in the right side means 16 minus 24. That means minus 4m equal to minus 8. 16 minus 24, of course 8, and as it is a greater one, that sign you have to take. Then therefore m equal to what? Then minus 8 by minus 4. Whatever multiply with the variable, that one comes down. Okay? Minus minus cancel. This one too. I think each and every one is clear. Is it? Yes. Okay. Very good. That means I have shown solve 3 sums. With the help of these 3 sums, you can do other sums. If you find any problem, definitely I will show next. Okay? Comes to next sum. Okay? Okay, students. Now I am showing one word problem from the same chapter. Whatever sum I am showing, these are from only your book only. That is whatever NCERT textbook is there. So that also having in the exercise, I think 3.3, or you check which exercise this one. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is the Lakshmi's age? Is not interesting? That means whatever question given, first you check what are the meaning of the questions. Meaning is that Lakshmi's father is given. Lakshmi's father is. And comparison given, he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. He means what? Lakshmi's father, 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is the Lakshmi's age? So that means whatever you have to find in the word problem of simple equation, whatever you have to find, that one we don't know, means we have to let it be first. Okay? So let us consider, first you let Lakshmi's age be X years. As we don't know, we can let there what is the age of Lakshmi's age. And Lakshmi's father is given. Lakshmi's father's age is 49 years. But condition given, he is 4 years older than 3 times of Lakshmi's age. So according to questions, what do you write there? Thrice x. 3 times means, you look at there, 3 times means thrice x, and more than 4. He is 4 years more. So there is plus 3 equal to 49. If you multiply Lakshmi's age by 3 and add 4, then we are getting the age of Lakshmi's father. So now what to do? Next step, you solve this one. How do you solve? We can write 3x equal to 49 minus 4. Once you change the side, plus 4 to right hand side, it becomes minus 4. Then you write 3x equal to 49 minus 4, that is 45. So therefore x is equal to, of course, 45 by 3. As it is 3x is there, 3 will be come down, then it will be 45 by 3. and cancel it 1, 5. That is 15. So x, what you have taken? X is Lakshmi's age. So therefore what you write? Therefore Lakshmi's age equal to 15 years. Okay. I think it is very simple and each and everyone you understood. I am expecting. Yes, very good. That is, your response is very good. Whatever others word problems are there, that one you find. If you find any problem, definitely you write something in comments box and accordingly I will guide you. Okay. Next I will come to another point which is most important. I will give you the tips how you can appear the online test. Okay, my dear students, and second part, I told you earlier, I am going to explain how do you appear in the online exam. Because different schools are conducting online exam due to that COVID-19 pandemic situation. So, how do you appear this exam? Some tips I am giving. First point, say, once you start the exam, before that you must be relaxed and keep cool to appear the exam. Don't be hurry and don't try to answer hurriedly. You may do mistake. So what to do there? First, by using the that website whatever provided by your school, with this one you enter there. After that you use user ID and then login by using password. And next go to one option is there, coverage. Coverage, that part what will get? You look at the corner, there are 3 bars will come. Look at the corner. There, in these 3 bars, if you touch, then you will get coverage. One option is getting. In coverage, if you touch, you are getting assessment center. Okay, that one is select. Then you are going to entering question paper. Then once you get question paper, you will not get all the question paper together. You will get one by one question. Okay. So you see the question properly and you answer it. Then go to next. Then again answer, go to next. After finished, you submit it within this time. Once submit over, you must log out. Okay. That is the guidelines. Okay. After this, just with hope and thank you all of you and all the best. I think each and everyone's exam will be very good and I am expecting like this. Okay. Wish you all the best once again.